Good morning, everyone. You are watching the Morning News, and I am joined here today by Vanessa Herrick with Health Partners International, which is an NGO who's been doing some incredible work. Thanks for being on the show with us this morning.
Thank you so much for having me and letting me talk about the projects.
Yeah, well, I know that International Women's Day is coming up, and so your organization is going to be traveling to Afghanistan to help with some of the most important maternity hospitals there. So I want to start by just giving our viewers an idea of the kind of work that you guys do.
The NGO itself has a few different projects. We don't work exclusively in Afghanistan, but right now the biggest project we have is in Kabul with 7 partner hospitals. And effectively we're working with the Ministry of Public Health and the hospitals within Kabul to improve access to health care, mostly for women and children, but really across the board.
Right. Can we talk about why Afghanistan and their specific situation, especially when it comes to maternity hospitals?
Yeah, for sure. The situation right now in Afghanistan, as everybody knows, there's long-term conflict and situations, and there has been a great deal of reports on the violence that people suffer. But in 2011, for example, the UN released statistics that there were 3,021 Afghan civilians killed because of the conflict, which is huge, and that's men, women and children. However, in the same year, there were more than 18,000 women who died in childbirth. And the current risk for an Afghan woman to die in childbirth in her lifetime is 1 in 8. To put that in perspective, in Canada, it's 1 in 5,600. So the lack of basic health care is killing more Afghan women than anything else. And the Ministry of Public Health is needing to rebuild since the conflict. And so the project really goes in to help the ministry to work within the hospitals themselves to do capacity training. We also provide medication that are donated by Canadian pharmaceutical companies.
Okay, I was going to ask about how you guys get the resources to be able to do this.
Yeah, it is a Canadian government project. It's a CETA-funded project, but a lot of it is partners as well. We have most big Canadian pharmaceutical companies have been incredibly generous and donated millions of dollars worth of medication that we work with within World Health Organization standards to make sure they go to our partner hospitals. The hospital that we're working with for International Women's Day is the biggest maternity hospital in the country. They deliver about 25,000 babies a year. They are a huge training facility. And in the last 30 years of conflict, they've never closed their doors to a patient. It's run by women, for women, and it's a really exceptional facility.
Incredible work. Can you talk to us about the kinds of women here in Montreal who are going to be going as part of this? Who are they?
Yeah, we have a team of amazing women. We're an NGO in Montreal, but the women who work on the Afghanistan project aren't all Quebecers. We are all women, though. So we have a team of 6 people in Afghanistan who actually run everything for us on the ground. And then our project development team go over every few months just to sort of work within, have meetings with the ministry, make sure that everything's going well. Because working with 7 hospitals and the ministry, there's obviously a lot going on. So there's about 4, I think 5 of us who work from here, and every, I'd say, few months at the most.
You're sending people
over. Yeah.
Incredible. So you're constantly covered.
Yeah, we're constantly covered, and different members of the team go, so we all have a really clear idea of what's happening and what's needed, which is, I think, crucial, because it really contributes to your work if you can get to Afghanistan. I was there in the fall to go to the hospitals and to see the children and to talk to the women, and it just makes a world of difference.
Incredible work, very admirable work. Vanessa Herrick, thank you so much. Health Partners International, you guys are going to be headed to Afghanistan very soon. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Safe travels.
Thanks.
Stay with us. We've got lots more coming up here on the Morning News, including some entertainment news with Richard.